Good morning, friends. I just had breakfast and I thought I would do a status update. I'm going to look at that screen a couple of times because I have the diff against the previous version. So, as you already know, we do What's Cooking in notion2anki post here on Patreon, and I think most of you already know who I am. But if you don't know, if you forgot for some reason, my name is Alexander and I make free software to help Notion and Anki users all around the world be more successful in their learning journeys. I have some hot water I cooked up. My cup is here. You can see delicious hot water. There's no coffee, no tea, no powder, just delicious hot water. In Japanese, they call this oyu. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you what's happened. I think this week what I did was I added a chat widget thing. You can see that in the bottom right corner. So if you go to 2anki, you'll see it. And what else did we add? Yeah, so there's also support for disabling the deck description. If you have already seen it before, you can see that we add the deck description. And I have to admit, I've been really busy with work stuff. So I have a part-time job, which is what I'm gonna be using to cover my expenses. So I look forward to getting my next salary from my job. Yeah, so if you don't know, I started a new job at another company to get more flexibility so I can work on the open source stuff. I was initially hoping to spend 60% of my time on open source, but that didn't turn out to be the case. I'm spending a little bit time, but I need to structure my time a little bit better. So I'll get more done. I tried producing a Skillshare course. The idea was to have a Skillshare course about Anki, and specifically Anki on mobile. But I decided yesterday that I think I'm going to put that project on the side and then focus on the main thing, which is notion2anki. And also, you maybe know this, maybe not, I stream a lot on Twitch. That's something near and dear to my heart, which is fun. So hopefully you can do some more coding streams on Twitch. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update, and if you have any things you are wondering about and want to see get implemented, feature stuff, then yeah, you know the drill. Just let me know in the chat or send me a DM. I've conducted some user research, so I'm still thinking about the feedback I've received, and I'm also gonna start reviewing some of the. So people have been contacted me about bugs and issues they have with notion2anki, and some of the issues are actual bugs. Other things are just the users who are misunderstanding something or they haven't understood something. So I always have to send them YouTube videos. So yeah, maybe we should redesign notion2anki. What do you guys think about having? Should notion2anki be an offline desktop app? Would that be cool? Would you like that? Would you like to be able to download notion2anki and then run it on your own computer? I'm hearing some sounds in the background. Hopefully nobody's trying to break my window or something. Yeah, so let me have some hot water. Good stuff. Fill up. It's not too hot and it's not cold. It's just good. So yeah, let me know what you think, and hopefully we'll get some more development done next week. Thanks.